Rome wasn't conquered overnight. It wasn't just the barbarians at the gates. One of the greatest empires in history crumbled from within, and the silent weapon that destroyed it was money. At its height, Rome's coins were trusted everywhere. A single silver denarius could buy goods across continents. The coin wasn't just money, it was a symbol of Rome's strength and stability. But empire is expensive. Endless wars, vast armies, extravagant monuments, and a growing bureaucracy pushed Rome's spending far beyond its income. So what did the emperors do? They cheated. Instead of raising taxes or cutting costs, they reduced the silver content in coins, mixing in cheaper metals. To the people, the coins looked the same, but they were worth less and less. This was the Roman version of money printing. And like modern inflation, it didn't happen all at once. Slowly, prices rose. Traders lost faith in the currency. Soldiers demanded higher pay. Ordinary citizens could no longer afford daily goods. By the 3rd century, Rome was drowning in inflation. Some records suggest that basic goods cost 50 times more than they had a century earlier. The empire's economy fractured. Trust in money collapsed. And with it, trust in Rome itself. Rome's downfall wasn't only swords and invasion, it was financial mismanagement. By devaluing its currency to cover endless expenses, Rome destroyed the foundation of its economy. And here is the warning for us. When governments believe they can create wealth simply by printing more money, the result is always the same: inflation, collapse, and chaos. The Roman Empire learned too late that money is more than metal or paper, it's trust. And once that trust is broken, no empire can survive. This is just one of history's untold financial lessons. If you want to uncover more, subscribe to Finance Untold, like this video, and share it with others who want to learn from the past. Because history doesn't just tell stories, it gives warnings. The only question is, will we listen?